Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today we're going to bleed the clutch system on a 996 turbo. Now we've just rebuilt this clutch slave with the clutch saver rebuild overhaul kit from renfix.com, and we've reinstalled the clutch slave. Now we're going to bleed the air out of the system and take it for a test drive. So we'll get our helper to go ahead and press the pedal to the floor for us. We'll pump up the system and put some pressure on it, and then we'll go underneath, open the bleeder valve, and bleed out the air. So we got our helper, and we're going to go ahead and have her press down that clutch, so all the way to the floor. Good job. Now we can go and pressurize the system. Okay, so now we're going to pressurize the system. So as you can see, I got it up to about 15 psi. Some say 20 psi. 15 is going to be fine. And we're going to go down now and open up the bleeder valve.
So here's a brief clip of what it looks like to have your wrench on the bleeder valve and your hose coming off to drain. And I'll show you where that hose goes. I can't show you the actual opening of the valve because I can't get my camera and my hand up there at the same time. But this is what it looks like, and you just pull down on that, open it, leave the wrench on there, and then once you see the bubbles in the air come out, push the wrench back up. Don't take it off. Just pull it down, let it open, push it up. Okay, so down we go. I'll show you where we drain to.
Once you're done, you may have to pull your pedal up from the floor, but it should be fine. Make sure you check your fluid level in your power steering, and make sure you top off your clutch reservoir. And you're ready to go.